Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So Ford Kuga Mk2 2013 to 2020, I think. So rear light bulb's gone. So to get at them, you open up the boot and you have the two plastic plugs there. You're going to need a screwdriver to pry them open, and there'll be two nuts or bolts underneath. You need a little set for it. So there you go, two bolts there. You need 8mm socket for them, so take those off. So once you got those out, it's really fiddly because it's held in here, but it will slide forward. See, slide forward and then out. Now we have the cables in here with a plug. So you can see there it's a sort of clip-on plug, so press that down and pull out. So it's the side lights that don't work on this side. So I've whipped it off because I've seen there's supposed to be a bulb there. It does have a indicator bulb. There, you can change that. But I've whipped this one off. So that one only goes a circuit board there for LEDs. So if that's finished, you have to probably have to change the whole lamp. But before I do that, the other side is working fine. So I'll whip that off fast. That is quite easy, and I'll plug into that and see if it'll work off that. Process of elimination. And so this works fine on the other side. It's a wiring somewhere. So I'll then look at the fuses and then think about wires really.
I can't see anything.
Use your open eye, Frank.
So I put a lamp over the side, and as you can see, it's working fine on that side. So I actually, for the hell of it, I brought the lamp from that side and put it on here, and it didn't work. So the problem lies with here backwardsly.